So where's the new handle?
We found another handle in the meantime. Let's say go. Sure, where it's gonna go. What you gonna do with it? Want a screwdriver? And okay, get the handle. And a step to get to the light. She needs the help to go to the light. So this will be inconvenient. This way, easy. In case she needs to. Okay, so eventually maybe another handle will come our way. Until then, that might be it. Until then though, we're gonna enhance our boat with another better, beautiful, most beautiful feature.
What's happening out here?
The neighbors. There, floaters. Floater boaters.
The water is like glass? Time to prepare. You ask me.
Look. So much. Where's the tweezer, man?
I don't know.
Goliath. Bring the tweezer. The giant Goliath.
What's going on with you guys? We're feeding you like mad. Your toilets are clean, your cuddles are good, Sophia's been big.
Instead of painting, keep spacing in her mind. And her love is hard to find, 'cause she is one of a kind, coming from the deep behind.
You sound like Drac.
This woman, like none other than, is the friend you don't pretend. Is the why is the door so open? Are you hot? Or are you smitten? Why is such a screw hard to find? What do I ask from this world that it doesn't
oblige?
How is it for me to ask so it knows what I am meaning? Without for me to waste my time with Nefertiti. Mă, ce nu e?
Au, ce e ea? Ah!
Problema.
as the other vision I had in the meditation.
Oh, did you get this meditation?
Yeah, I got the sensation of a head coming out.
Oh. Yeah, you have to straighten your head first. Oh. Oh. Taste the rainforest. Hold on.
Water.
Save the last rhino. Save the last white rhino.
What do you think, Ethan? My temporary handle.
Okay. Lift the hand, lift the bottom, and give me that fucking coconut yogurt before I'm freaking out.
Before I'm fucking freaking out. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
You're connecting with your beard?
I don't know where the thing is.
What? You don't know where the tweezers are?
No.
In the bathroom!
I looked for them last night.
In the bathroom?
Yeah, not in Tostitos.
What about in the side compartment, the hanging baskets of Ardelano? The hanging garlands of Ardelano.
Are there hanging gardens in RDS?
We will have them, yes. There's gonna be thermal baths with gardens and wet, home-built, wood-built, and imported jacuzzis. Yeah. I had a business idea, but I forgot it. It was given to me, but I forgot it for now. I guess I got greedy when I pulled the other thing. So they skipped me. But this is there. There. They wanted it to. And to have money. And to have that power. With you and without you.
Why would that be?
Doesn't matter.
Why would that be? Has that been brought to you?
Brought me? Brought me? Yeah, you can brought me. That is brought me.
No, they're not here.
You don't know what this is? Motivation. Oh, this is your motivation. No, I'd love to find another screw. Do you like what the car is?
60,000 screws. So how does it say?
Or does it say?
I think so.
Okay. Nice, sexy.
He will be. No, that's not level.
Hey, just watch.
Okay.
Yeah?
You want to put it?
Yeah.
No, it's not high.
Trying to follow the... Oh, no, it's not. Find the screw. Brother, I know you're here. I know you're here, and I know you're going to be installed in that place that I have found for you, which is perfect, and will hold the car, and will secure our transit to and from. Thank you very much for showing up. I love you. Holy moly. You're really hard to find, but you're exactly what I was looking for. Did you like how I persuaded this screw to show up in my life?
Like my song? Okay. Tweezers, you are near. I know you are, because my beard is calling you. Every time I think of you, you come to me. My history.
Back this way.
There's a lollipop in my bag. I just want to find a small pair of tweezers and empty. We had two pairs that were in the bathroom. We used them perfectly. The last time you tweezed me, we were under an apple tree. And that tree, it grew and grew, 'cause my beard, it it shows you. My beard, it seeded so much mystery underneath the apple tree. Your kisses sealed it like a stitching.